part of this amazing celebration.
I thought I'd first start out just by sharing some of the things I've learned along the way, going from Technovation to an actual company.
An area where we are working on seriously is girls empowerment, education, and skills development. That is why UNICEF has chosen to partner with Technovation.
Well, it is my absolute pleasure to celebrate all of the amazing app ideas and hard work and intelligence.
Having more girls and young women in tech and entrepreneurship is super important to me and super important to Shopify, because we know with more diverse voices in tech and entrepreneurship, we have a better ecosystem for everybody that's involved.
Take up space. The waves of change that Technovation girls like you are initiating will never stop.